Everybody knows how to change a battery, right? But what you might not know is that these days you need a scan tool for the newer cars. And here's why. You have to perform a battery reset. And I know a lot of people are going to say, oh, you just disconnect it and reconnect it. That does not work on newer cars that have a battery monitoring system. So here's one here, 2013 Ford Escape. You can usually find it under engine or the body control module. Look at that. Battery monitor system reset. On a Ford. Just like that. So again, basically when you replace a battery, the body control module will think it's dealing with the old bad battery. It can do a lot of funky electrical stuff, like keeping other modules awake and causing parasitic draw on your batteries. So if you're ever having a problem, especially in a shop or if you're a new tech and you replace the battery, always good to check if it has a battery reset function, or you might be getting that car coming back after a couple weeks. Seeing this more and more, guys, but for the do-it-yourselfers too, like you can get little dongles that are capable of battery resets, but they are making it very hard for guys to be changing batteries by themselves. I don't know why, but I see it more and more. Customers coming in saying they just changed the battery 2 weeks ago and they have a dead battery. Techs doing parasitic draw tests for hours and hours and hours and can't figure it out when it's just a simple battery reset with a scan tool, and it'll take away all the parasitic draw. So if this video helped you, man, subscribe.